Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Toplux Magnesium Complex, a supplement that apparently decided one or two types of magnesium just weren't enough for your overachieving body. It blends 8 different forms, including glycinate, malate, taurine, and citrate, all crammed into a single capsule. It's essentially a high-stakes chemistry project designed to tackle absorption, muscle support, and relaxation in one go. Because why settle for a simple supplement when you can swallow a significant portion of the periodic table? The brand claims this multi-form approach targets your nerves, bones, mood, and even that sluggish digestion you've been ignoring. Over 1,000 reviewers seem to back this up, reporting better sleep and fewer leg cramps. One user even mentioned it helped with statin-related cramping, while others praised it for being gentle on sensitive stomachs. It's refreshing to find something that actually follows through on its promises, unlike your gym membership. Of course, perfection is a myth, and you should keep in mind that this formula is quite potent. Like any high-dose supplement, it might feel a bit intense at first, so you might want to start slow unless you enjoy surprise internal marathons. Still, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating on sites like Ubui, the consensus is overwhelmingly positive regarding its effectiveness and ease of use. In summary, Toplux is a versatile powerhouse for anyone seeking better sleep and muscle relief. Just be mindful of the dosage and start with what your body can actually handle comfortably.